All right, guys, we got something really special on the menu today at the good old exhaust shop at Exhaust Addicts. We got a 1984 Grand Wagoneer Jeep, but with something special in it. It's got a 5.3 liter Chevy motor and tranny and cats and downpipes. As you guys can see, there's the cats. One here, one there. And then we custom finished it off for him. He wanted to keep it single. He didn't want too loud. So what we did one tailpipe over here, intermediate pipe here, another intermediate pipe here, into a custom Y pipe. And then we put some vibrant. He didn't want it too loud or too quiet. So we put the vibrant bottle muffler, 2 1/4 inlet, 2 1/4 outlet, part number 8938. And vibrant number is 1790. There it is, 2 1/4 inlet, 2 1/4 outlet. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipe out the back into a 4-inch roll tip right there. All custom, really clean, really beautiful car. He's rebuilding it, building it to what he wants. So, and I don't blame him. We love projects like this. Bring them to us and we'll make them look beautiful. As you guys can see right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, it sounds so good. Again? That's clean. Again? Sound decibels 101. Go ahead and back it up. Jeep Wagoneer, baby. Grand Wagoneer. That sounds really good. Got a 5.3 reliable engine in it now. Look at that. Grocery getter. Whatever you want to call it. You don't see these every day with a 5.3 in them. Sounds so good. Again? That sounds so good. Hope you guys like it. Jeep Grand Wagoneer. There it is. Wagoneer, baby, with a 5.3 V8 Chevy motor. Huh? I think you did already. Let's give me a couple seconds.